Hello friends, welcome to our channel Amazing Home Gadget, where you will find a very cool and innovative gadgets which will upgrade you in your daily routine life. In this video, we are explaining you top 10 wireless earbuds which will enhance your overall music experience. Truly wireless earbuds are now mostly popular in mass professional athletics who love to enjoy music while working out or for those who just want to use for a calling purpose. You will be able to find lots of earbuds in the market right now, but surprisingly, most of them don't really talk about quality at all the time. So if you're already lost by picking up the wrong earbuds for yourself, then take a look at the list of top 10 best truly wireless earbuds which will enhance your overall music experience. And if you like this earbuds, then I'll put a buying link in the description. If you're new to this channel, then kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button so that you'll get a notification for every updated video. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. Introducing Jabra Elite 85 a truly wireless earbuds which engineer for best sound for calls and music like never before. This earbuds feature with active noise cancellation technology by cancelling the noise you don't want to hear and to give you complete control over how you can hear the world around you. These buds pioneer by new MyBit features which you can use for Jabra Sound app to find your perfect seal and better sound quality. This earbuds also provides 5.5 hours battery in a single charge, and with active noise cancellation technology, it can add up to 25 hours more battery with Jabra charging case. These earbuds also support Q1 certified charger for wireless fast charging, and with IPX4 technology, this earbuds is waterproof, sweatproof, dustproof and shockproof also. These earbuds has Alexa built in and works with Siri and Google Assistants to help is always with your hand. If you like to purchase this amazing gadget, then you'll get an Amazon buying link in the description. Introducing the Oppo Eco W51, a truly wireless earbuds that is designed to deliver excellent quality music. By coordinating a total of 6 microphones with a deep noise reduction algorithm, your wireless earphone experience will never be the same. This earbuds is equipped with a new dual-core digital noise reduction chip and more advanced hybrid noise reduction microphone, which intelligently optimized to detect and reduce everyday noise. And with a simple 15 minutes of charge, it will keep the earbuds for 9 hours of working, and with full charge, it will last for 24 hours of listening with active noise cancellation on. These earbuds are powered by Bluetooth 5.0 technology for faster and more stable audio transmission when faced with multiple sources of interference. This earbud is structurally designed and certified for IP54 technology, which keep these earbuds as a dust and water resistance. Introducing a OnePlus truly wireless earbuds OnePlus Buds Pro, which helps you to hear the unheard. With active noise cancellation technology, it will help you to control your audio and enjoy your crystal clear sound for your calls and music. Each earbud is incorporated an advanced 11mm dynamic driver which delivers deep bass sound for your music. This earbud breaks all the sound barrier by charging its battery in 10 minutes for 10 hours of listening, and with full charge with charging case, it will keep the earbuds on for 38 hours of listening. This OnePlus earbuds is rated with IP55 technology for water and sweat resistance, which enable it perfect for outdoors. This earbud is a great value for money, which you can buy from Amazon link in the description. Introducing the JBL Tune 120 TWS, a truly wireless earbuds which will discover the freedom of wireless lifestyle while on the go. This earbud will never miss your call during your daily commute or workout, thanks to intuitive control for stereo hands-free calls and conveniently placed button on the earphone. This earbud is connected with Siri and Google Assistants with the push of button, which always keeps helps in your hands. This JBL earbud is featured with 5.8mm dynamic driver, which provide pure bass sound and provide powerful punching to all your playlists. This earbud provides 4 hours of battery in a single charge and enhanced up to 12 hours of listening in a charging case. If you like this beautifully crafted earbud which is designed to deliver excellent quality music, then I'll put the Amazon buying link in the description. A constant on the run lifestyle which demands perfect ergonomically designed earbud that stay with you throughout the day. And this Noise Bird Solo earbud is made for everyday only. This earbud is featured with hybrid active noise cancellation technology with triple mic system to detect and cancel out the unwanted noise and to deliver you perfect sound. This earbud is featured with 10 mm of speaker driver which perfectly combined with hybrid active noise cancellation technology which deliver crystal clear sound for your calls and music. This Bird Solo earbuds provides you 7 hours of authenticate sound that can be further extended up to 36 hours with a charging case, and this earbud also support with fast charger. With Bird Solo, you have got all your control on your fingertips, which switch between hybrid active noise cancellation on and the transparency mode manage calls on your voice assistants. All of this just a few taps. And if you like this Noise Solo earbuds, which makes your life simpler, then I'll put the Amazon buying link in the description. Introducing Jaybird Vista truly wireless earbuds with a rugged, earthproof construction for premium sound that can go anywhere you go. This earbud is rated with IPX7 technology, which makes it waterproof, dustproof, sweatproof, shock and drop resistance. This Vista Wireless Sports earbuds offer 3 sizes of interchangeable silicone ear gel, which ensure a secure, ultra-comfortable fit that feels weightless in your ear during your intense activity. This earbud gives you 6 hours of audio on a full charge, which enhances 10 hours more with the Vista charging case, and with 5 minutes of quick charge, it will provide you 1 hour of playtime. This Vista True Wireless Bluetooth earbud uses cutting-edge JBS1 technology that ensure crystal clear, zero-lag stereo sound for your video, music and calls. This earbud is a great value for money which you can buy from the Amazon link in the description. An uncompromised sound performance with the state-of-the-art technology and refined design all come together in a Sensor True Wireless Premium earbuds. This earbud is featured with audiophile driver technology which guaranteed superior stereo sound performance at all the times. This earbuds provides you 4 hours of battery time which can enhance up to 12 hours with the charging case. And this earbud also supports with fast charger. This earbud has a dedicated app for iOS and Android which provides an effortless way to control personalized update and configure your headphones. This earbud comes with lightweight splash-resistant ear adapter which comes in 4 different ear tip sizes, ergonomically designed for the perfect fit. With all this featured in earbuds, you can buy it from the Amazon link in the description. Introducing the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro, the world's first earphone to utilize the Astrea coaxial acoustic architecture, endorsed by 10 Grammy award-winning audio products, which deliver crystal clear sound for your calls and music. This earbud is featured with a state-of-the-art design, which integrates a customized non-balanced armature and 11 mm dynamic driver into a single body, which creates harmonized treble and bass for the most of the natural sound ever had from your truly wireless earbuds. Just to ensure everyone get a flawless experience with Liberty 2 Pro, her lady intelligently tests your hearing and creates a tailor-made sound profile just for your ears. You'll get 8 hours from single charge and another 4-hour recharge from the charging case, and with USB-C fast charging, you will get 2 hours of listening from a quick 10 minutes of charging. With 4 microphones, one combined with ambient noise cancellation technology to deliver crystal clear call experience from any location. With all this featured in earbuds, you can buy it from the Amazon link in the description. Introducing Jabra Elite 75T, which ensures a great fit for everyone here. This earbud is featured with one special pair of tiny, truly wireless earbuds that could deliver on everything you wanted, either great calls, amazing music quality, customizable features, and of course, the perfect fit like no other. This earbud has enhanced 4 microphone call technology which filter out disruptive noise around you and deliver you crystal clear call and pretty cool music from anywhere. This Jabra Elite 75T earbuds can last up to 5.5 hours on a single charge and enhanced up to 24 hours together with their powerful charging case. The fast charging feature means you will get up to an hour of battery from a quick 15 minutes of charge. This IP55 rated with 2 years of warranty. These AirPods are some serious stuff buds that can handle pretty hard life. And if you like this earbud which ensures a great fit for everyone here, then I'll put the Amazon buying link in the description. Introducing a truly wireless earbuds, Apple AirPods Pro. These AirPods refine the detail of comfort, creating a new class of in-ear headphone with a customizable fit and allow you to feel your music, not your headphone. These AirPods Pro are the only in-ear headphone with active noise cancellation that continuously adapt to the geometry of your ear and the fit of the ear tips, blocking out the world so that you can focus on what you are listening. With this AirPods, you can enjoy superior sound quality with adaptive equalizer, which automatically tune music to the shape of your ear for a rich, consistent listening experience. These AirPods support 4 to 5 hours of listening time on one charge, and with charging case, it delivers more than 24 hours of battery life. And with fast charging of 5 minutes, you will enjoy 1 hour of listening. With all these amazing features with Apple AirPods Pro, it's truly a value for money deal. And if you like this AirPods, then I'll put the Amazon buying link in the description.